Alright, so we're going to do rotation. So a rotation is a turn around a fixed point called the center of rotation. Okay, so the figure rotates at a specific angle and direction. So we're just going to like rotate the figures, okay? Though the figure can rotate around any fixed point, it usually rotates around the origin. Alright, so we have 3 rotations that we do. 90 degrees counterclockwise, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees counterclockwise. So there's special formulas for this. So for the 90 degrees counterclockwise, we take xy. This is what we're going to do to the points, just like we've done before. And we switch x and y, but only y becomes negative. Okay? For 180 degrees, our original point, we just change x and y to both be negative. And for 270 degrees, we take x and y, we switch them, but only make x negative. Okay? Alright, so let's do a couple. So the first one, we have a triangle with vertices 2, 7, 6, 5, and 4, 1. So I'm going to do that in red. So I'm going to do this whole thing in red. So 2, 7, 6, 5, and 4, 1. So there's our triangle. Okay, colored in red. And we're going to do 90 degrees counterclockwise. So 90 degrees counterclockwise means I'm going to take my original x and y, and I'm going to switch them but make y opposite. So A, y becomes negative, x stays the same. So that's negative 7, 2. It's going to be right here. And then B, make y negative, put it in the x place, and x positive, so negative 5, 6. I'm going to make that blue. And then the last one's 4, 1, so negative 1, 4. Okay. There's a new figure. Okay. As you can see, it's just rotated from here to here. Okay, it just turned. Okay, let's try 180 degrees. So 180 degrees says I'm going to take x and y and switch it to negative x, negative y. So I don't actually like switch them around, I just make them opposite. So let's graph it first. So 2, 6, 6, 5, 5, 1, and 1, 2. So it's a square. It's a tilted square, but it's a square. So there's my square. And we're going to rotate it 180 degrees. So it's actually going to be in this box, okay? Because this box would be 90, this is 180, and this is 270. So I'm going to just make them negative. So negative 2, negative 6, negative 6, negative 5, negative 5, negative 1, negative 1, negative 2. So here we go. Negative 2, negative 6, negative 5, negative 1, negative 6, negative 5, and negative 1, negative 2. There we go. Okay, so that's that one. Alright. Next one is a trapezoid, and we're going to do that 270 degrees. So remember, 270 degrees is I switch x and y, but make x negative. So my original xy becomes y negative x. Again, you're going to get all the formulas. So let's graph it. 3, 4, 6, 4, 8, 1, and 1, 1. So there's my trapezoid. And then 270. So I'm going to switch x and y, but make x negative. So, or make x opposite, sorry. So 4, negative 3, 4, negative 6, 1, negative 8, and 1, negative 1. So 4, negative 3, 4, negative 6, 1, negative 1, and 1, negative 8. There we go. Okie dokie. Number 4. So we're taking a triangle and we're doing 180 again. So remember 180 is x comma y goes to negative x comma negative y. So 3, negative 2, 6, 1, and 5, negative 7. So there's my triangle. And now I'm going to get my new point. So this is going to be negative 3, positive 2. So remember, this means opposite, not necessarily negative. Y is negative 6, negative 1, and Z is negative 5, positive 7. So negative 3, 2, negative, oh, that's not right. Negative 3, 2, negative 5, 7, and negative 6, negative 1. So as long as you know where it's going, or what points to change it to, it's easy. And that's it.